Yes, people, and welcome to a new video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a resume on Canva in the mobile app. So on your iPhone or on Android, that doesn't matter that much. So before we go create a resume, we have to search, of course, for the Canva app. And here we are. Here is the Canva app. So there is a difference between the Pro version and the normal version. If you have the Pro version of Canva, you can simply pick a lot of more like borders, pictures, videos, and also resumes. So you pay $10 a month for it, and I'm not an affiliate, but I just want to tell you this. I like the Pro version, and it's nice. But you search for your content, and you search just for resume. And if you search for resume, there are popping some resumes up. Maybe you want to choose one of them. You also can simply start from scratch. But with such nice resumes as templates, I should not start from scratch. So you choose one what fits the best of you, best for you, and you don't have to worry because you can change everything. So for example, we choose this one, and if you see here, you can also change this color. If you don't like the color, you can change the color to, well, if you like green, for example. And you can also add different styles. You can add your own picture. You can change your name. Well, in fact, you can make your resume on your mobile phone. I like the desktop. I like it more because then you have a more wider screen and you can view it more completely. So if you want, you can go on with this. And if you have any questions about the resumes in Canva, please leave a comment in the description, in the comment box, and I will help you further with the Canva resumes. And see you in the next video. Thank you.